Hey everyone, welcome to the official registration guide for HackByte 4.0. We're super excited to have you on board. The process is hosted on DevFolio and it is super smooth. So let's dive right in and get you ready for the big event. Start by hitting that yellow Register Now button on our main site. Right after that, you'll be redirected to our DevFolio login page. Go ahead and sign in using your Google account. It's usually the fastest way. If you're new to the platform, you might need to quickly verify your email address as well. The code will be sent to your inbox. Just copy the code or press the verify link within the mail itself. Once you enter that, your account is verified and you're good to go. Now let's build your profile. This is your chance to tell us about yourself. Fill in your name as well as a DevFolio username along with the password. This would be used for you to log into the DevFolio site. Now if you're not a bot, you can pass this captcha and move on. Right, we're once again here where we apply with our first name and our last name, followed by a small paragraph about yourself. Tell us who you are, where you're from, and what you'd like to do. Now we reach the fun stuff, your skills. Add the languages and tools you know, like Python or React, and upload your resume as well. Don't forget to link your GitHub and LinkedIn profiles so we can see what you've been working on. Next, just breeze through the education and contact details. You'll need to answer a few quick questions about your university and hackathon experience. Once you've checked all the boxes and agreed to the terms, hit that submit button. Do not click on the submit for review button until every member has joined. Also, make sure not to click the solo button at all because HackByte does not allow solo hacking. Now for the most important step. You can't hack alone. You can either create a new team or join an existing one using an invite code. But here is the critical rule you must remember. Only teams with a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 4 members will be allowed to participate. So make sure you coordinate with your friends and finalize a squad of 3 or 4. Get registered, build your team, and let's hack the reality.